Hey, what's going on everybody? Hope you're having a good day. As always, my name is Michael and thank you for joining me. So this month on my channel, we're doing the Health and Wealth Challenge where we pay attention to our physical well-being in addition to our financial well-being. And there's no way I could do the challenge without talking about working out. Now, I'm not a fitness YouTuber, I don't pretend to be a fitness YouTuber, but working out is something that I personally love and enjoy doing, and I think it's added a whole lot of benefits in my life outside of just feeling and looking better, right? And so that's what I want to talk about today, just 3 takeaways that I've had from the gym and how I think it actually ties in to our financial well-being, and maybe you can use it as some motivation. Now, I'm going to give you a heads up, there are some clips of me working out. I'm not saying you have to work out in a gym with weights like I do. In fact, my next video actually involves someone who is totally committed to working out and doesn't lift any weights, and you can clearly see the benefits he's derived from it. So regardless if you're in the gym or you're cycling or you're hiking, whatever it may be, I think these things carry over into all aspects of our financial well-being. And so the first thing I want to talk about is discipline, because honestly I think this is one of the #1 benefits all of us derive from consistently working out is discipline, right? It's really not that hard to work out, but it's really easy to make excuses for reasons not to go work out that day, right? Maybe you didn't have enough food and you feel like I don't have the energy to do it, or you know what, tomorrow's a busy day and I would have to work out in the morning and I'm just not going to do that, or you know what, I'm not feeling 100%, I'm still a little bit sore from last time, so I'm just going to take today off, right? There's 100 different excuses we can make, and we tend to make those same sort of excuses when it comes to our financial goals, right? Whether that be becoming debt-free and we think, oh, well, you know, paying $20 extra a month on that bill is not going to make that much of a difference, so I won't do it. Or, yeah, I'll break my budget this month because I actually really want this thing. Or yeah, I probably should be working on my retirement goals, but that 401k and IRA just seems too complicated. I don't want to mess with it, right? Again, it doesn't matter what excuse you use. The point is, it's a lot easier to make an excuse than to actually do something that's a little bit uncomfortable at the time. But if you consistently go towards the gym, you're forcing yourself to feel a little bit uncomfortable for something that will pay off in the long run. So if you can use that discipline in all aspects of life, it will absolutely be a huge benefit to you. There's no way you can tell me that if you work out consistently every week for 5 years that you're not going to look and feel much better than you do today, right? Similarly, there's no way that you can't save money and pay off debt early and make sound financial decisions, and 5 years later you're not financially much better off. So again, to me, it all comes down to discipline. That is one of the #1 things that I think I've ever derived from working out. Now, the next thing I want to talk about may be a little bit cheesy, but that is big goals, both in the gym and your personal finance life. And the way I'm going to illustrate that is with this, the 45-pound plate, right? If you guys ever go to a gym, you know that that is the big plate, right? And when I was a kid first starting to work out, I thought it'd be cool to bench press 225, which is 2 plates, and it would be cool to squat 315 and deadlift 405, like all of these things with different numbers of 45-pound plates, and that's great and all. And in your financial life, right, your big goals are your 45-pound plates. Maybe for you it's becoming debt-free, or you're a millionaire, or maybe you can save up to buy your first house for you and your family, right? All of these are the big goals, right? But just like working out, you don't get to your big financial goals without this, the 2.5-pound plate, right? To me, this is just as important as that, because this represents consistency and dedication and slow improvement consistently over the course of your life, right? And if you can just do the small stuff, right? Paying a little bit extra on your debt, consistently put money towards your savings account, focusing on retirement, not wasting money on useless spending, right? That to me will lead to far bigger goals than you ever think you could hit, right? And so if you're anything like me, it's really great to hit a big goal, put on that new 45-pound plate, and then the very next workout, put this on, because there's always room to work harder, there's always room to improve a little bit, and that's what you get with this. Now, the last thing I want to talk about is getting into both, physical fitness and financial well-being for the right reasons, because I think there's a healthy way of getting into it and a not so healthy way. And it's all about what your end goals are, right? I'll use me for an example, right? I first got into weightlifting as a teenager because I was always a skinny kid and I was just tired of being that way, right? I didn't hit 100 pounds till I was a freshman in high school, so yeah, I was pretty thin. And in middle school, I would always watch Dragon Ball Z and feel like, oh, I got to get big and muscular like Goku. And while that's not a terrible reason, right, it's not something that I'll ever be. And now my goal is really just self-improvement. It's something that I just enjoy doing. I actually like going to the gym now, and even though I'll never be insanely big or muscular, I will be better every single week, every single month than I was before, because I'm just committed to doing this for self-improvement. So if you're interested in working out for some unattainable body image issue, I would say don't look at it that way, and instead look at it for the things that you actually can do and how you can improve yourself. And this ties into financial well-being because I don't really want to be a multi-millionaire so I can buy expensive houses and lavish cars and all of those things. Instead, I want to be financially well off so I don't have to work a career that I hate doing, and I can actually provide for me and my family, and so I can live really the life that I want to live. All of those are the reasons why I want to be financially well off, and all of those are attainable, and all of those I think are healthy pursuits of money rather than unhealthy pursuits of just materialistic goods. So all in all, those are the 3 takeaways that I had from the gym recently. I hope you guys found this video interesting or entertaining. If you all want me to continue with this type of stuff, put it in the comment section down below. You know I love hearing from you guys. Likewise, don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. We do a cash giveaway at the end of every single month after the challenge is done, and I pick one of the commenters out of the entire month to give the cash prize to. So thank you so much for watching. Take care, guys. I'll see you next time. Hey guys, I know I just said this stuff, but let me say it again. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate all the support that you guys give me. And to support you, here's 2 more videos that I've made in the past in case you haven't seen them. Don't forget to share these with your friends and family so we can help all the people achieve their financial goals. Likewise, if there's anything that you would want to see made that you haven't seen thus far, definitely don't hesitate to let me know. But thanks again, take care, and have a good day.